and Paul's excellent adventure, a 4-year voyage while living on a cruise ship.
Can you say Topolobampo?
Topolobampo.
That's where we're at. They're throwing us quite a welcoming party here.
I think we're the only ship that's ever been here.
Oh, they're making announcements now. We're doing this in English. Everything else has been Spanish so far.
We prepared just for you. So don't hesitate. Come on, bring it on.
Oh,
Great.
bring it
Well,
on.
they want us to visit.
This is a big welcome they did here. They got all types of dignitaries.
Right.
They have some of the local press out. We're actually covering.
Well, they usually, in each port we go to, there's like a little plaque ceremony that maybe the mayor.
And they're going to do that here in a minute. The captain just went down. So he went down to exchange gifts and plaques. So we'll watch that here in just a minute here.
It'll be the first time I've seen that.
Yeah. So until this trip, I never heard of Topolobampo.
I never have either.
We're going to go.
But we're going to show you so that maybe
Yeah.
if you come to Mexico, it might be one of the places you want to come to.
Might be a trip you might want to
Yeah,
go to.
it's
Should
we're
be
in the
fun.
Sea of Cortez, right now.
Yes.
So it's
is it also called like the Gulf of California too?
something like that.
I think it is.
Yeah,
So it's off the Baja Peninsula, but it's on the mainland side.
mainland side, right?
Not until we get to La Paz will we actually be on
the
the other
peninsula.
side.
Right.
So, band's striking up again. We're just about ready to go on shore. We're going to go to Mira Beach, which is in an island, but there's a road going over it, so we'll be able to have the shuttle actually take us there. So we'll show you some of that. It's Topolobampo. Ready to go.
I'm not doing that.
I shouldn't have done it.
So we're in the water. We're in the beach.
I know, in the water
Very
again.
Yeah.
That's been a theme here lately, I think. Been in the water, enjoying the warm water. This is not,
This is
bath
water.
I always hated going in the ocean because it was always so cold.
But this is
like
Gulf
that.
water, so it's warmer.
Yes.
It's like in a little bay.
It's really
Look,
good.
Hi,
There's
Janelle!
Nell's out there
JJ's out there.
enjoying it.
Our friend Nancy came with us too.
Yay!
Be
We got a
careful.
good group. We got a good group here. The nice thing about Beach is that the water's fairly calm here. I mean, we're not getting big
and
waves
it's-
or anything.
And it's a Monday, so there's hardly anybody
no,
out.
not even the locals are out. Just a few people from our ship are here.
They're
And,
very happy to have our ship here.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous. They catch shrimp, crab, and
Shrimp, crab, and
Fish.
red snapper.
red
they
snapper.
Do. Red snapper here, yes. So we'll look for those for lunch.
Yeah.
They'll be very fresh. Let's go enjoy the water.
sounds good.
Okay.
We're here on the beach, and I've met some new amigos. Right, we're new friends. I'm here with Anna and Manuel, and they are tourist ambassadors from the school that they attend here in Topolobampo. And so we've been
The school,
sitting.
the school
yes.
is in Los Mochis.
Oh, the school is in Los Mochis, which is the bigger city here.
Topolobampo is one small city, and Los Mochis is another small city.
And so they, your school greeted us at the ship when we came into port, so that they says ask me. So we were asking them questions about where they live and what to do. And so that's what we've been doing. We've been sitting here on the beach talking. And so tell them what you're doing in school, because it's very interesting.
Yeah, okay, so what we do in school right now, we're like getting more of the, how do you say, theory of more than practice, because I'm starting the school. She has more experience. She's like 1 year left. So she's been practicing a little more. No sé si quieres contarme un poquito de lo que has hecho tú por el lado turístico.
¿Como a dónde he viajado o algo así?
De la escuela. O sea, ¿qué ha hecho la escuela en el lado turístico? O sea,
en el lado turístico, pues te lo voy a decir en español y tú lo vas contando en inglés. Bueno, pues nos ha enseñado cómo a conectar la comida.
They teach us to connect the food with a history
de algún lugar.
From any place. Like every food has a history, right? And they teach us how to connect that food with the persons and with the history with it.
Te enseñan también, aparte de lo que te dan clases de inglés,
They
también
teach English.
francés.
They teach French too. The last 2 years you'll have French, and the first 2 years it's English. So they teach English and they teach French.
So you were telling me you want to go
Everywhere.
everywhere.
The only thing,
The ship with us.
yeah, I want to give it a try. But the only thing keeping me here is like the money. I don't have any money.
Yeah.
So I want to go to Germany, to Netherlands.
You want to go to Germany because of the sausages.
Yeah, I want to go because that's one thing. The gastronomy of Germany, mostly I want to go because of the sausages. I would love to try all the sausages there, because I heard that there's tons of different sausages. Actually, my dad has a tacos business, so he has a taqueria. So that's one thing I've been doing since I was a kid. I helped him with the kitchen. I chopped meat. I was how do you say this?
Sous chef.
Not sous chef. I wish I was a sous chef. No, I took the orders.
Took the orders,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, I was a waiter there.
Yeah.
I was a waiter there.
I have two brothers, young brothers, and one old sister. I have one pet, podría decir,
Pet?
mascota.
Sí,
Pet
yeah, pet.
is my daughter.
Oh,
It is my favorite person para mí.
Aw.
Pues, ¿qué más podría decir?
it's a dog. It's a
It's
cat.
a dog. It's
A dog. Yeah, I'm listening a lot to Argentinian trap.
Oh,
I'm listening a lot to it.
okay.
Mostly was like rock, like the Beatles, or new
rock.
metal, like Slipknot.
Slipknot.
Yeah,
Okay.
I love those type of bands.
My favorite singer is... Cantante también es igual.
Singer?
His name is Umbe.
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 Oh.
Son canciones como music romantic.
Romantic music.
Romantica.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about where you live?
Where we live. I think my favorite thing is like it's like a small town. Since it's a small town, I met a lot of people and we tend to meet each other in a random places, in a random times. Like
Yeah.
you get used to see familiar faces.
The people.
The people.
Yeah.
People.
Yeah,
Good
it
people.
seems like a very friendly
It's a really friendly community.
Yeah, everybody seems very friendly.
Of course, there's a little places that aren't that friendly,
Right.
but that's everywhere, right?
Right.
It's everywhere.
Right. Well, thank you so much. We really enjoyed talking to you. And,
Oh, we thank
and
you all
enjoying
for
your city.
inviting us.
Yeah, yeah. It's a bustling town.
A bustling town we're in now. We stopped by Topolobampo, and it is a sweet town right off of the water there, and beautiful little homes, but it's very tiny though.
Very colorful homes.
Yeah.
It's a very sweet little town. And they have treated us with the most gracious of love. I mean, they love us.
Yeah,
we love
they've been really
them. I will tell you, and I'm going to say it again, I'm probably going to have to put this town on my list that I will definitely come back. It would be probably a cool place to live.
But I will tell you, the people we've met, including our driver who brought us here today from the port, most of the people, even though they represent the area of Topolobampo, they live here in where we're at, Los Mochis. So Los Mochis is about 25 kilometers from Topolobampo, and we're now sitting in front of this wonderful Gardis botanical. It's a botanic gardens for the area, and we've been told it's just wonderful.
Right, and I guess there's a lot of cactus around this area anyway, so I guess it's really a feature of the Botanic Gardens. I will tell you, it's a very modern city. There's every American restaurant's here practically.
Yeah,
but this is beautiful. The temperature here is
very nice.
amazing.
Yeah, it's probably low 80s, I'm guessing. Low to mid 80s. Very
It is.
comfortable.
Everybody's so helpful. We love them. So we're going to go in the Botanic
Let's go in.
Gardens, give you a little, see what we see.
Yeah.
How about that?
We'll do that.
Let's go.
Okay.
we want to make a few questions to Michael. So, how old are you? A ver. He's 9 years old. Woo! Hace que los 2 años. He says that since he's been 2 years old, he's been practicing this kind of dances. It's been passed on his family. So, and a big round of applause for this culture that we keep on preserving.
Queridos en San Miguel, Mochis, y San Javier, todos gozamos de la cuaresma con alegría y gran placer. Bonito pueblo de Huila y San José, Dios también, hay en Caguana, segundo, el Hueco y la Florida, la gente nos acompaña hasta el día de la corrida.